Exercise number 1, Barbell Hack Squat. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Stand with the barbell positioned behind your legs. Lower into a squat by bending your knees and pushing your hips back. Keep your chest up and back straight. Drive through your heels to stand back up. Exercise number 2, Barbell Seal Row. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Lie face down on a flat bench with the barbell underneath you. Pull the bar toward your chest while squeezing your shoulder blades together. Lower the bar slowly and keep your core tight. Exercise number 3, Barbell Curl. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Stand tall holding the barbell with palms facing forward. Curl the bar up toward your chest while keeping your elbows close to your sides. Squeeze your biceps at the top and lower slowly. Exercise number 4, Barbell Bench Press. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Lie on the bench with your feet flat on the floor. Grip the bar slightly wider than shoulder width. Lower the bar to your mid-chest, then press it back up powerfully while keeping your core tight. Exercise number 5, Dumbbell Romanian Deadlift. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Hold dumbbells in front of your thighs. Hinge at the hips and push them back while keeping your back straight. Lower the weights until you feel a hamstring stretch, then drive your hips forward to stand tall. Exercise number 6, Machine Overhead Press. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Sit on the machine with the handles at shoulder height. Press the handles upward until your arms are extended. Lower them slowly back to the starting position while keeping your back against the pad.